What's up, Elco family? Before we get into the video, huge shout out to y'all. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and I got 1,000 on Instagram. And trust me, since making this right now, it's booming even more. So huge shout out to y'all. Just want to say thanks because it's cool. Stick around to the end and you can see how I celebrated because you know I had to have a good time for that. But welcome everybody that's new here. Go check out last week's video. That way this week's video makes sense. And while you're at it, go watch the rest of them. Every single last one of them. Everyone. This week was pretty chill though. Got that fuel leak under control. And in that process, broke something else. So you know how shit goes. And then the mowers got a little bit of love too. Finally got their first bath in probably 7+ years. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what those look like. But before we dive right into the video, car show season is right around the corner. So don't miss out. Make sure you go get some Uncle G merch, baby. Links in the bio. Get yourself some gear, wear them out to the shows, support your boy. But let's get into this week's video. Now that you went back and rewatched all my vlogs, now you know that I worked on the mowers last week and got them in the yard, but the snow came, so they kind of just sat in the yard for a few days while I figured out what parts I was thinking I was gonna need. But while it was so cold, I decided to slide in the garage and work on the Elco instead. All right, I fixed the leak, but fixing the leak, now I'm getting no fuel to the front bowl. So I don't know why. The front bowl was solid before. It's like, damn it, come on, man. I was so close. So, gonna figure this out real fast because I'm supposed to go do some donuts today for my 1,000 followers on Instagram and 500 plus on YouTube. So let me get this right real quick. All right, found the issue, not really sure why. So this is what was causing the leak the other day where I thought I had to put something there. I just had to screw it in. So since I screwed it in, we're good. But now I'm getting no fuel up through this little bunghole.
TP for my bunghole?
To go up to my first bowl. So the Elco won't run. And I'm just like, what the f? I don't know what's in the way. Because if you crack this, there's a whole bunch of fuel that comes out. So I know I'm getting fuel. Back bowl's still good. Got plenty in it. So I don't know what the deal is here. I gotta figure it out. Something's definitely just blocking everything up in here now. Which blows. Because that bowl is empty. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. I don't know why the f I be having such bad luck, but the little thing that I screwed in there must have shaved off a bunch of shavings. Come on, bitch, focus. Must have shaved off a bunch of shavings right there. And now that little pinhole right there is just blocked up and I have no fuel to my front bowl. This kind of sucks because I don't think that was really my fault. I tightened it like I was supposed to and now there's junk all in it. So, give me some more time. Gotta scratch up all my nice black paint and shit. Sadly, that is exactly what happened because if you take a look, you see them little flakes on there. There is metal, new metal, I should say, all up there. So that f***ing blows. Alright, I guess I'm f***ed. I don't got any option but wait because I've been in 3 stores and nobody has this thing, so going home, gonna go spend some more money. All right, what's up, y'all? Quick interruption. Just had to stop in and say, go subscribe for me, please. Go run it up, do all that shit. And yeah, look what we got coming next week. If you know what that is, you know what that is. But yeah, let's get back into the video.
From the fences, smoking, killing in the trenches. Wall is racing in a minute. You ain't gotta walk out your friends, step in.
Now, of course, I didn't have it rolling, but I jumped it to the starter. And after a couple seconds, she fired up. So let's get her going again. See if she'll start. I'm gonna go grab some gas real quick. Honestly, before I actually try and start it, let's go grab the shop vac. I'm cleaning all this shit out of the way real quick. Oh no, I sucked up the screw. I got more. It's all right. Trying. Ooh, we're getting somewhere. Trying, but she's shit up. All right, another day, another little bit more progress. Ford cranks, but still doesn't start. Kind of figured. I think it just doesn't have spark again. Everything I checked, no spark on that bad boy back there, and it needs a new carburetor. So, a couple new coils, new carb for that thing in the next couple weeks, and it should be good here in the spring. With them still not firing up, it was time to clean them up a little bit. That's just the pressure wash. I haven't even scrubbed it or done any like deep cleaning. That looks good. I'm excited to see that Montgomery up next. All right, she's a mess. Just got the winch kind of figured out. About to get this crap out of the way like I did the other side, and let's give this thing a bath. It's about to be night and day difference on this one. Yeah, she looks good too. Definitely needs a repaint, but all right. Went and grabbed a battery for the Ford mower. Still messing around with this little solenoid back here. It is not getting the power to the opposite side to the starter, and I'm not quite sure why. I got no power from the switch, so still not cranking. If I jump those two, the starter will start running, but still no start. So what do y'all think? What should be the next move? I got an idea.
You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie.
Ain't nobody lying.
Just don't seem like I'm figuring shit out. I took the ignition switch off of this one, threw it on here, hoping, you know, maybe I'd get a little bit something more. Nothing. So I don't know what the issue is. I don't know if it's this solenoid right here. It's gotta be, because like nothing else is working. So I'm gonna replace this solenoid. I'm gonna go up to Aces or Tractor Supply, see if I can find one, and go from there. I switched that ignition over to see if it was broken and if it would work over there. Get it over there, doesn't work. Bring it back to this one, no longer fucking works. So now I can't even get this bitch to crank over. I'm like, bro. Yeah, having a great time with these mowers, you guys. And my car parts still aren't here, so I can't even work on the Elco. My part finally got here, and you can just tell the difference. Something happened in their production, and it was just a pinhole on the one on the left, and it's supposed to be wide open like this one. All right, back in the garage this morning, got this all hooked up. Ooh, as you can see, got that all hooked up. Hopefully, no leaks this time. So let's get it fired up. I just did all that off camera because it's kind of chilly out here this morning. All right, let's see if we can get some fucking fuel into this first bowl finally.
Did you see that? Did you see me?
No drips. I like no drips. Oh, I see a little bit of gas in the bowl. Let's keep cranking her.
You so totally rock, Squirt!
Hell yeah, there is fuel in the bowl. She should fire up in just a second now. Let's pull that choke in and get it going. There we go. I might have to pump it. Fired right up. Damn, I gotta clean the fuck out of that wheel now. But I knew that.
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Alright, was about to go pull off, but garage was looking a mess. I'm about to clean up all this bullshit everywhere real fast and then go have some fun. So when I get back in here, it looks good. Because it's a mess from working on stuff. Caught this dude admiring the Elco at the gas station on accident.
Oh, she moves better. She moves so much better. I was like half throttle. I didn't even try.
Let's rip one. That is much better. So much better, boy. I don't know, my speedometer might be a little off too, because that felt a lot closer to 100 than 75. What's up, Elco family? Oh shit, I almost fell. What's up, Elco family? We did it. I hit 1,000. What's going on, Elco family? I did it. I hit 1,000 on YouTube. Thanks, y'all. Other than that, let's keep shit going. I know that's what y'all here for, but let's go celebrate and do some donuts and shit.
Do this shit for real, man.
What? What in the tarnation?
Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.